About a month and a half ago, I ordered jewel orchids. I got their, I think, junior collection of jewel orchids. So it was grower's pick from the Louisiana Orchid Connection. So let me say that again, Louisiana Orchid Connection, or LOC. And I have a real hard time growing like baby jewel orchids. So 2 of them have died, and I have 1 more that is in the process of dying. And let me show it. So I have this problem where I guess their stems turn black. You can see this, and then they shrivel up and die. So you can see this one is senescing. So I have ordered some new jewel orchids from Louisiana Orchid Connection, and I'm going to try to salvage this one, which is a Nectodes Charlotte's Web, by sticking it in water. So we'll do that first. I mean, I don't know. Does it have roots? Does it have anything? Oh dear, a leaf just, oh, it just fell off. So you can see here's the dead stem end right there. I am going to cut it off with a clean razor blade and hope that I can salvage it somehow by rooting it in water. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like the stem goes in very deep in the water, so we'll have to hope that enough of the stem is covered that it survives instead of dies. So now on to the unboxing of my new jewel orchids. So I got 2 jewel orchids, not the same ones. And I also got myself a Cattleya that he had imported bare root from, I guess, I'm gonna assume Taiwan? I'm not sure actually where. So, and a Dendrobium. Now, usually things from Louisiana Orchid Connection are like babies. I have not been doing unboxings from them because they're coming, I've been having to work really late and I haven't been home. And by the time I get home, it's really late, and also it's really cold outside, and so it's dark and cold. At least it was in May. It was pretty cold in Chicago, but now it's warm and sunny. So this will be a really great unboxing. It'll also show off the really gorgeous sparkles on these jewel orchids. So I got myself a Nectocylus, yes, albolineatus. You can see the beautiful sparkling leaves on it. So they always arrive from Louisiana looking beautiful, have stems, and then some of them turn black, and some of them are fine. And I don't know why sometimes my stems turn black. I don't know if it's too cold. They're all together in the same place, and because he sends them in these little black packs stuffed in when you buy a set, and I just leave them in there. So you can see that this Ludiciatus color is just fine, but as we could see earlier, the Charlotte's Web, not so happy and blackened up. So we have here, I'm trying to peel the tape off. So this is, oh, this is the Dendrobium. Let me open up the other jewel first. I did get a Dendrobium. I was just thinking, his jewels are pretty inexpensive as babies. These were, I think, $16 each, and I was just thinking, I need more than 2 things in the box. does a lot of ingracums, and I'm trying not to grow too many ingracums. It's really a little bit too cold in my house in the winter for ingracums. Okay, so this one, I also got this one for the foliage. I mean, okay, for jewel orchids, you always get them for the foliage. It's Miss Cody's Sanderianum, and I'm a little concerned that the leaves look really rumpled. So that was one of the reasons I didn't do unboxing videos when it was dark and late, because I wanted to get my orchids out of their box and watered in hopes that they would not all die on me. Like that one. I just was worried that the wimpy leaves meant that it was dying of drought. Okay, ooh, so this here, so those are the 2 jewels I ordered. They were not members of the Grower's Choice Junior Collection, and then, so I ordered them just by themselves. So this is Rhincolelia cattleya Amazing Thailand Magician, and I got this one because it's like yellow and it has the flares. It's listed, I think it was only $15, but it's listed as like 2 years from blooming. So it comes bare root, and I will be potting it up. I like bare root orchids because then I can basically put them directly into semi-hydro and establish them. And then finally, I got a Dendrobium hokuense. So that's right here. Remember to hold it up high enough. So this is the hokuense that I got. It's a little dry looking. I will try to, well, I'm gonna water everything right away in hopes of salvaging it. And it's potted in, oh, I can't get, the roots are like stuck inside the pot. So lots of roots down in here. It's potted in moss. So there we go, just 4 from Louisiana Orchid Connection in hopes of salvaging, well, not salvaging, in hopes of replacing some of the empty slots from my jewel orchids that have died that I ordered previously.